Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some suggestions of the best vacation scents of the summer. Okay, so if you're ready for my list on what can you take with you to that vacation that you have coming up, just keep watching. Well, fam, if you're like me, maybe this is the last hurrah of vacations before you get into the nitty gritty of school and you're going back to work. So I have a top 5 that you might want to bring with you on your summer vacay. First up, I have been talking about her, got compliments, have a whole story on her. Look at my last video. But Pink Magnolia from Loewe, oh yes, like this is vacation. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's just so pretty. Oh, this is so good. It's just so good. Oh, it's just so good. Okay, I'm sorry. I would highly recommend you take this with you on vacation. If you want to be on the beach, you have a date night, if you just want to smell good and just once you pass someone, your just scent trail stays in the room. This is one of those fragrances that does just that. It is so good. It is amazing. Highly recommend you get Loewe Pink Magnolia, and you have to have this on your next vacation, sis. Especially the last one. Yeah, you need to make a stand with this. Next up, if you're looking for an aquatic musk fresh type of fragrance, a little bit of green, white, floral, all right. And my favorite note of pear is in this as well. And that is Ocean de Goya, and this is from Giorgio Armani. I love this. This is a classic for me. I have to have this on vacation, okay? My pear lovers out there in those streets, look no further. If you want pear and aquatic, this is it. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. It is so good, and you will enjoy this. Oh my gosh, it just takes me on vacation right now. Just beaches and waters. It is so good and pretty. If you're having a beach day, beach party, something like that, you're gonna want this. And it's not only aquatic, it also has floral in it, but I feel like the floral doesn't get dated, or it's just like it's so good. Okay, the floral matches with the pear so good. I feel like you have to have the pear and the floral for this fragrance to even work. Okay, it is amazing. It's an oldie but a goodie. It also has a salt note. You all know how I am about a salt note, and it has rose in this. So just all my favorite type of notes are in this, and I would highly recommend that you take this on vacation. The last vacation, yeah, you want to take this on all your vacations. Okay, moving on. Next up, another white floral, marine type scent. This also has coconut in it, I believe, and tuberose is in this. This is La Mar from the House of Beau. This is definitely a popular scent, but definitely worth it. Like, definitely worth for you to spend a coin on this. I believe this can run you about $180, something in like the twos range. But all to say, this is so good for vacation. Don't look at the prices. Don't let it price. Just the scent alone is, oh, it's so good. It's so good. If you like coconut, white beach sands, white party yachts, and just all the things, this is so good. This is like, I had a hard time choosing between if I wanted Casablanca or La Mar, and honey, I needed both. I needed both. Like, either one. I've talked about both of them on this channel. Either one is great for vacation. It gives you the same vibe, except for La Mar gives that coconut. So it's that tropical feel, okay? It's that coconut, okay, on the island. Yes, it is so good. I would highly recommend you get Lamar for your vacation coming up, the last of your vacation. If you want to smell good with your bikini, your wrap, right? You want to be sipping on the coconut. Okay, I'm sorry. But if you want to, like, girl, have your, I don't know, your drink, your mocktail, because at this point I'm on mocktails. I haven't had a drink in quite a while. So if you are on your mocktail tip, I'm trying to lose some weight, girl. I've lost 20 pounds thus far. Okay, sorry. Back. But so good, okay? But if you are on the beach with your mocktail, with your friends, sipping it up, right? Your last vacation before the kids are back in school, Lamar from House of Boat is the fragrance that you want to take with you on that lovely vacation. Next up, another marine type of aquatic scent, but has a citrus note in it, okay? This also has rose, but I felt highly in love with this fragrance like when I had a tester and I had to have the full bottle. And that is from New Notes, and it's Queen of the Sea, okay? So good, spot on, like, spot on. Okay, vacation. Can I go on vacation with y'all? Can y'all take me in the luggage? Take me with you. Spot on for your vacation, sis. You would love this. Okay, if you like a good marine but citrus. Okay, I know I've mentioned marine but coconut. This is definitely, oh my gosh, this is a citrus, like sea kind of notes are in this, rose. It is amazing. Okay, so if you are looking for something different, okay, something different with your citrus, your aquatic, your rose, if you're looking for something like that, you would love this. And it has amber note in it, and it also has musk. So those base notes also, like, just once the fragrance like settles, it still has this kick in it, okay? This is a grown walk on the beach type of fragrance. The Queen of the Sea, grown, okay? Well grown, walking on the beach. Love it, okay? Love it down. Highly recommend you take it on your next vacation for sure. And last but certainly not least, one I am saving to the end because it is discontinued. They need to bring it back. Like, they need to figure out this formula and bring it back, or bring it back in a different form and call it something else. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with my rant. And that is Flora Botanica from Balenciaga. Okay, this is so good. And I am so sorry I'm mentioning this, but I'm just being honest. Even if it's discontinued, honey, what you want me to say? I just gotta be honest. It's in my collection. It's a beautiful vacation scent. Am I babysitting this like it's no tomorrow? Yeah, because I can't get it again. So I'm babysitting this until they decide they want to bring this back. Now, and this is a little bit different because it has carnation in it, right? Which is not a floral that you see often. It also has mint in it. So it's giving you, I don't like it, right? It's giving you those vibes of like, yes, that's not going to be good. Honey, the lies you tell, okay? Lies you tell. It's amazing. It's amazing. And it has rose in it and amber, and it's fresh and it's woody, but it's not too woody. It has vetiver, and it's not too vetiver-y, right? It's not too woody. It is so good. That mint just gives it this freshness, this aromatic type of scent profile. It's good. I love it. I love it. And every time I'm mentioning a vacation, if we're mentioning something like warm and spicy and aromatic and rose and all that, like, yeah, Balenciaga, I'm going to say it every time, no matter if you can get it or not. It is so good. It is fresh. So in this hot heat on vacation, everyone will be able to smell you, and you smell so unique, right? I like and not unique bad, like not one of those, but unique good, because not everybody is going to even know what you have on. They're not even going to be able to like say what you have on. They're going to be like, huh, what are you wearing? It's going to be one of those mystery things. I love being the mystery. This is the mystery. It's so good. So if you have it in your collection, I would highly recommend you take it on your vacation. And if you don't have it in your collection, I am so sorry. But if you find it, let me know where you find it, because maybe I'll use a little bit more of this, because I'm babysitting this like ain't no tomorrow. Okay? Babysitting her, watching her. Girl, don't go nowhere. Like, I love it. I love the packaging. I love the way this smells. Vacation. Perfect for vacation. All right? Well, that's all. That's all, fam, for my vacation picks. I know you're probably wrapping up your summer. I hope you enjoyed your 2026 summer, and hopefully you had some fun, some laughs, some sun. Girl, if you haven't had sun, girl, come to Tennessee and borrow it. But I'm sure you all have been in the hot heat. I feel like all of America, we have been in the heat. Okay? We have been experiencing all the heat. So, all that to say, heat and rain. Rain and heat. All that to say, I hope you enjoyed your summer. Please let me know, what are some fragrances that you loved wearing during your vacation or the summer. I would love to know down below. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.